Yes, student. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. Before proving Pythagoras theorem, before knowing about Pythagoras theorem, first of all we see similarity in right angle triangle. Because for proving Pythagoras theorem, we should know the similarity in right angle triangle. So, what's the theorem? Similarity in right angle triangle. Theorem is that in a right angle triangle, if the altitude means perpendicular is drawn to the hypotenuse, that means it is a 90 degree and altitude drawn on the hypotenuse, then the two triangles are formed. Which two triangles? Triangle ABD and triangle DBC. These both triangles, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original and each other. These two triangles, triangle ABD similar triangle ABC, triangle DBC similar triangle ABC, and triangle ABD similar triangle DBC. We have to prove what? Triangle ABD similar triangle ABC and triangle DBC similar triangle ABC. Okay? Now, so student, first of all, we write what they give. They give what? In triangle ABC. Angle ABC is the what? 90 degree. By the diagram, we write given in triangle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and segment BD perpendicular on segment AC. Segment BD perpendicular on segment AC and ADC is a collinear. Now what to prove? To prove triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Triangle BDC similar triangle ABC and triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. We have to prove that. So, first we take in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle BAD congruent angle BAD congruent angle BAC. Reason? Common angle. Now second one, angle ABC congruent angle ADB, each 90 degree. Therefore triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. By which test? AAA test. Angle test. Now second triangle. What is second triangle? Second triangle is triangle BDC. Triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Triangle BDC and triangle ABC. In this, angle DBC congruent angle ABC. Angle DBC congruent, common angle. First we take common angle. Angle ACB congruent angle DCB. That is common angle. Now angle ABC congruent angle ABC congruent angle BDC. Angle BDC. Reason? Each 90 degree. So triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. By which test? AA test. So, by this it is proved triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. By this it is proved triangle ADB similar triangle ABC, that is, and triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. When both triangles are similar to ABC, then triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. So it is proved similarity in a right angle triangle. So student, now we prove Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. This is hypotenuse, and remaining two sides is what? AB and BC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So student, we prove this theorem by making one construction. What is that? Yes student, before drawing a construction, we first write given. What is given? In triangle ABC, angle ABC is a 90 degree. It is given. And what is to prove? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we construct, draw segment BD perpendicular segment AC and ADC is collinear. ADC is a collinear. So we first construct this segment. We construct this segment perpendicular on hypotenuse. This. Name of this is D. Draw segment BD perpendicular on segment AC, and ADC is a collinear. So now we start proving. Proof triangle ADB similar triangle ADB similar triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. Triangle ADB similar triangle ABC similar triangle BDC similarity of right angle triangle. Similarity of right angle triangle. Before this theorem, we proved that similarity of right angle triangle. So triangle ADB similar triangle BDC and triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. So we first take triangle ABC similar. Triangle ABC similar triangle BDC. We first take triangle ABC similar triangle BDC. Triangle ABC similar triangle BDC. So ABC, AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Like that, we take triangle ABC similar triangle ADB. Now AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DB is equal to AC upon, so AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DB is equal to AC upon AB, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now we take what? We take, now in this we take BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. So it is what? BC square is equal to AC into DC. That is first. BC square is equal to AC into DC. Now in this what we take? What we take? AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AD. So AB into AB square is equal to AC into AD. That is our second equation. That is our second equation. Now we add first and second. We add first and second. BC square plus AB square is equal to AC into DC plus AC into AD. Okay. Now BC square plus AB square, here AC common, we take AC as a common, DC plus AD. DC plus AD. Now BC square is plus AB square is equal to AC into DC plus AD. DC plus AD. DC plus AD become what? DC plus AD become AC because ADC is a collinear. So BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. So that is our proving. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that is our proving. What is that? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is our proving. So student, after proving Pythagoras theorem, we come to see Pythagoras triplet. What is Pythagoras triplet? If the square of largest number is the square of largest number is equal to the sum of the square of other two numbers, then the triplet is called a Pythagoras triplet. For example, there are three numbers. There are three numbers. What is that? That three number is a 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. So what's the largest number? 4 is the largest number. The square of 4 is equal to what? 16. And the square of other two numbers. Other two number is what? Sum of other two numbers. 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16. Sorry. This is 5 square. The largest number is a 5. The square of 5 is a what? 25. And 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16. 25. So 25 equal to 25. So 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Therefore it is Pythagoras triplet. Therefore it is Pythagoras triplet. So student, you understand what is Pythagoras triplet? Yes. Pythagoras triplet means what? Pythagoras triplet means if the square of largest number is equal to the sum of the square of other two numbers, then the triplet is called a Pythagoras triplet. Yes. Property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. Property of 30, 60, 90 triangle. What is property of 30, 60, 90 triangle? If acute angles of right angle triangle, if acute angle of right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and 30 degree and 60 degree is a acute angle. Triangle is 30 degree and 60 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree. Which side is opposite to the 30 degree? BC. Then side opposite to 30 degree angle is the half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree, which is 60 degree, the opposite of 60 degree is what? AB. A side opposite to 60 degree angle is a root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. So what's the property? Property is that side opposite to 30 degree. What is side opposite to 30 degree? That is BC. BC is 1 upon 2 of hypo. What is 1 upon 2 of hypo? What is hypo? 1 upon 2 into hypo. Hypo is a what? AC. So BC is a half of AC. And side opposite to 60 degree. Which side is opposite to 60 degree? AB. AB is the opposite to the 60 degree. That is root 3 upon 2 into AC. Hypo. This is the property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. 30, 60, 90 triangle. Yes. Now property of 45 degree, 45 degree for 90, 45, 45, 90 triangle. If the acute angles of triangles, right angle triangle is 45 degree, 45 degree, then side opposite to the 45 degree angle is 1 upon root 2. If it is a 45 degree and this is also 45 degree, this is also 45 degree, then side opposite to 45 degree angle is 1 upon root 2 times of the hypotenuse. So side opposite to 45 degree is what? BC is equal to, and side opposite to this 45 degree is equal to what? AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 times of hypotenuse. Okay.